again. As you can see, I have now taken out the gold dye that I did on my hair last week. And the reason I took it out is, I guess because my hair is so dark, like it's really like a dark black. When I put the gold on it, eventually, like a few days later, like 2 or 3 days later, it started to look green to me. And I've always heard that whenever you have black hair and you take, bleach, I mean, it wasn't bleach, but if you ever bleach your hair, that your hair may turn green. So, long story short, it looked like it was green to me. It might not have been green. I mean, I don't know if you could tell in the pictures, but even in the pictures, it kind of looked green to me. So, I didn't really like it. So, what I decided to do is try the red hair wax. Comes in this container, as I showed you in the previous video. Looks like this. That's the container. And the packaging, the jar, looks like this. Mofa Jang hair coloring material. So that's what I'll be using today. And it's the red one. All right. Just gonna do it how I did it the previous time, which was just do kind of like the perimeter of my hair, not all of it, just to kind of see what it looks like. I might be looking in the mirror here in my room because I can't really see myself in this one. Hopefully you can see me, but I can't really see myself. So I'll be doing in this mirror. So I'll be taking a little piece of it like I did the last time. Taking the red and just putting it on. Not sure how it's gonna show because, like I said, my hair is very dark. Hopefully it shows a little better than the gold, and it kind of looks like it does. So what's up, honey? I'll keep applying it until I have it all over. But that's so far what it looks like. It's pretty bright for it to, be a wax. So, yeah, I'll come back on when I finish applying it all so you can see what it looks like. All right, I'll be back in a minute. To mention, if you didn't notice, my hands, that's the one thing that I don't like about the paste. Like, it's literally all over my hands. So I'm still applying it to the back, and then I'll come on to show you all the finished product. All right. This is now the finished product. So I'm about to head out. Not sure how to feel about it yet, of course, but something different, something to, like I say in all my videos lately, something to help with the boredom. So there you have it. All right. So this is the back. Don't mind my husband. He got cousins over. So he been fussing all evening. So yeah, so that's it. And I will take a few pictures so you all can see exactly what it looks like. Even me touching my hands just now, I got a little bit of it on my hand. So that just shows it bleeds a little bit. Maybe it'll go away in a couple days, but it does bleed. All right, so I'll see you all in the next video. Later. All right, I'm actually at the pool, and I kind of wanted to give you all like an honest opinion about the hair wax so you can see what it's really like before you buy it. The one thing I wanted to say, it does show up really well. If you notice in the pictures that I took, it does show up really well. But the one thing I noticed is it's a little stiff. Like if you notice, like that one, it just sticks out. It doesn't fall. It's kind of hard. I feel like it makes it hard. So maybe tonight I'll probably braid it up or twist it up or something to kind of loosen it up a little bit. Put a little rose water in it. I'll probably do that, but it does get a little hard and stiff. So that's one little observation that I noticed. All right.